Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the expression of phase angle in current transformer. Okay, so let us first discuss what is the phase angle. The phase angle is nothing but it is the angle by which the secondary current phasor when reversed, okay, differs in phase from the primary current is known as the phase angle of transformer. Okay, so if you recall the phasor diagram, okay, from the previous video, okay, so here we are having the difference between, okay, strictly speaking, the phase angle is indicated with the angle theta, with the angle theta, okay, and this angle is positive, right? So phase angle is nothing but it is the angle by which the secondary current phasor, okay, secondary current phasor when it is reversed, that is nothing but it is same as that of the NIS, okay, and differs in phase from the primary current phasor. Okay, so it is nothing but the theta, which is the angle between N into IS phasor and primary current, that is the IP phasor, okay, and the IP phasor. So angle between NIS and IP is nothing but theta. Angle between N into IS and IP, okay, so the angle between the secondary current phasor when reversed differs in phase from the primary current is known as the phase angle. Okay, so angle between NIS and IP is nothing but your phase angle. Okay, and this phase angle, that is theta, is a positive if secondary current reversed leads the primary current. Okay, so if secondary current reversed, that is NIS, leads IP, then it is positive, and theta is negative if NIS lags IP. Okay, NIS lags IP. Okay, now the angle between IS reverse and IP is theta, right? So phase angle is nothing but theta. Okay, now so if you check the phasor diagram, we can write tan theta. I am writing directly tan theta is equal to what? It is a BC upon OB. Okay, BC upon OB is nothing but it is a OA plus AB. Okay, what is this BCOB? We already discussed in the last video. Okay, you can refer that phasor diagram. Okay, so here we can write BC, we have derived the expression, it is a I0 into cos of del plus alpha, okay, divided by N into IS, divided by N into IS plus I0 into sine of del plus alpha. Okay, right? But if you check, this theta is very small, as theta is very small. Okay, so if theta is small, then what about the tan theta? So we can write tan theta is equal to theta, because tan of any small value is nothing but that particular angle only. Okay, so therefore we can write theta is equal to, yes, it is a I0 into cos of I0 into cos of del plus alpha divided by, yes, N into IS plus I0 into sine of del plus alpha. Okay, this is in radian. Okay, consider as equation A. Right, now I0 is very small as compared to N into IS. Okay, and thus we can neglect the term I0 into sine of delta plus alpha. Okay, so as I0 is very small, I0 is very small compared to N into IS. Okay, N into IS, therefore I0 into sine of del plus alpha. Okay, so I0 is already very small, and if we multiply with that, if we multiply I0 with the sine of del plus alpha, sine of any angle is, it is in between 0 to 1. Okay, so this product will be again smaller than that of the I0. Okay, so therefore we are going to neglect it. So it is neglected. Okay, so now from this we can write theta approximately equal to, it is I0 into cos of del plus alpha, right, divided by n into is only, right. So we can write it as into divided by n into is. Okay, so further we can expand this term cos of del plus alpha. So therefore it is, we can write theta is equal to I0 into cos del into cos alpha, okay, minus I0 into sin del into sin alpha, okay, divided by n into is as it is. So it is divided by n into is, right. So further we can write theta is equal to, yes, we can write I0 into cos del, okay. So Im into cos del, because we know I0 into cos alpha is nothing but Im, okay. So we can write Im into cos del minus IE into sin del, okay, divided by this n into is. This is in radian, okay. If we want to convert it in degrees, so we can write this same expression, only we need to multiply with 180 by pi. It is a Im into cos del minus IE into sin del divided by n into is. Okay, this is in degree. Consider it as equation B, right. So this is the expression for the phase angle in the case of current transformer. Okay, thank you.